So today I wanted to highlight a couple of different tools that I use in collaboration. This project was one where they were doing a lab notebook, a digital lab notebook. And as you can see, the idea was that students, one, could write where they were taking notes, two, that these notes could be collected by more than one student. This was kind of how they chose to lay it out. And then three, that additional imagery could be added, which would be really difficult to do if it was kind of the analog version, the pen and paper version. So the digital tool ended up being a real advantage in this case. Also, one of the things that you can do is subscribe to notifications, and then you find out when students are on and active working in the document. You can also subscribe to edits that are made if content's being added or removed. So one of the limitations I would say to this is if you were really wanting students to show something, video evidence can be a lot more telling. And so Docs isn't a great place to be collecting videos. There's other tools that would be more advantageous for that. And then in the future, I would just say where I would like this to go is maybe a little bit more robust rather than just a one-page, one-day lab experience, maybe a full research paper or something like that students could collaborate on, and you could see the whole process through comments and such for the whole group. So there's my first collaboration tool. The second one is that I often will use spaces with students where they can come, and a group of students, there's only one right now because this project is done, but where groups of students can meet, you can put information, you can attach images and text. It's just a really great way, quick way to communicate with students. They can receive it on their phones if they have the Google app. And then the other one is Google Meet. And that's just a place where often we'll collaborate through a meeting link. There's a ton of controls for teachers to keep your meeting safe. So hopefully this gave you some ideas.